Hey guys, my name's Louise of solopreneurs-sidekick.com, and in today's video I wanted to help you out with a big decision when it comes to your website. Should you DIY or hire a pro? There are pros and cons to both, so after you've watched this video, let me know in the comments which one you'll be going with. So first, let's talk about the DIY route. The biggest benefit and deciding factor for many is cost. Obviously, it's a lot less expensive to DIY, which is great for brand new entrepreneurs. However, since it's something that's brand new to you, you risk spending a lot of time trying to figure it out, only to be left with a result you're not happy with. Not to mention the tech stress along the way. That being said, website builders like Squarespace and Wix have made it 10 times easier than it used to be. You don't have to know any coding, and you can customize the look and content of your site. There are limitations, of course, and it's possible that you might not be able to do everything that you want, but if you're pretty tech savvy, these options can be an easy and quick way to get your site up and running. The other issue with DIY is if you're not a designer, you will likely not have a design eye yet. That's okay. And it's possible that because of this, it's going to look DIY, which is not what we're going for. Another issue is you're missing out on a huge piece of the puzzle, which is the strategy behind what should actually be included on your website and how to best optimize your site for results. And then of course, there's the type of site you're building. If you just need a simple website with a way to share the content you're creating, then you can absolutely DIY. However, if your site is really complex and you're implementing brand new ideas, you'll be best to hire a pro. Working with a pro can be amazing if you find the right fit. And it's possible that they will create something better than you even could have imagined. You will have more design possibilities, and you're getting their years of expertise. The biggest factor that holds people back when working with a designer is the price. I've seen anywhere from $1,200 to $10,000 for a custom website. And of course, as with any service provider, it's possible that you're going to have to wait a long time or that they don't get your vision. Another issue is not knowing how to update your website yourself, which is a huge issue because that means you'll need to hire a pro every time you need to make a small little change, which can really add up cost-wise. If you do go this route, I'd still recommend asking for a tutorial so that you can blog yourself and make updates to the content if needed. Now I have to shameless plug myself here. I felt as though new entrepreneurs who weren't so comfortable with the tech stuff needed something in between these two options. The designer route is too expensive for many, yet the DIY route can be a huge cost time-wise, and you could spend the next few months on Google. So I created an online course where I walk you through step-by-step exactly what to do to DIY your website. Plus you get personal feedback and tech support from me in the students-only Facebook group whenever you need. This way you can DIY, but do it right, from professional design to strategy and optimization. If you'd like to check that out, click the link right up here. I'd love to help you build your website. That's it for this video. I'd love to hear in the comments, which route will you be taking? Let me know, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.